For today's lesson, I'll discuss to you on how you can upload your website using Infinity Free. First, let us download our database that we will be using in our web applications. To download our database, you can go to Export, but make sure that you click the database that you needed to download. So, for example, I'm going to export the sample site from that database. Click export, then wait for the file .sql downloaded. After that, go to Infinity Free.net to create accounts. Infinity Free is an example of a free web hosting site where you can deploy your web application. Click register, use your email or student email, then click continue. Okay, so this is the interface of Infinity Free. So since it's free, it has too many advertisements. To create an account, click create an account. Wait for it to load. Then click the Infinity Free $0. Then choose create now or click create. Wait for it to load so that you can create your own URL address. So as your subdomain, use your last name, finals, then 2526. No spaces. If you wanted to separate it, use dash. Then choose from domain extensions. Leave the account username as is. You can change your account password if you want. Then for the email consent, you need to choose at least one since if you do not choose, it will not proceed. So I choose I do not approve, then click create an account. Wait for it to load. Okay, so after that, you will see here the navigational menus or tools that you needed to manage your site. Here in our hosting accounts, you will see there the account details such as the username and password. Then in the left side corner, we will try to upload our database that we download a while ago by clicking the MySQL databases. Here, we will create our database. Click Create Database. Then in the DB name, use the same database name that you use. For example, sample underscore site. Para hindi nyo na siya babaguhin pa doon sa mismong code. Then after that, click Create Database. Once created, you will now see our database name. Go to phpMyAdmin to create the table. So choose a file first and click the sample site, that sequence. After that, click go. As you can see, all the data that we've created offline, it will also downloaded or uploaded here in our database. And after that, let's start uh, uploading our sample page. You can click the manage or the file manager to upload your file. Meron namang label dyan na nakalagay do not upload files here. So, ibig sabihin, you need to click in the htdocs and upload inside your pages. So, you can do bulk uploading. So, click files, then go to the page or go to the uh, location of your pages. So, in my case, nasa htdoc siya. So, click htdocs, then choose the folder or the file that you needed to upload. Then click uploads. After that, as you can see, nandiyan na yung index.php ko and any other files. So in this tutorial, I'll just simply show to you on how you can use the Infinity Free to upload or deploy your pages. Now, let us visit our website. So as you can see, online, nakaklik na po yung ating or nasa-search na po sa URL yung ating page. Then since meron diyang this page isn't working, ibig sabihin, since may mga data na needs pong i-connect using our connection, kung napapansin nyo, naka-local host pa po yung ating MySQL Connect. So we needed to change it first. So by going to our MySQL databases, then as you can see dun sa MySQL connection details, nandiyan po yung username. Copy it. Then go to your file manager. Yung first po dyan, yan po yung ating server. Yung second value, that is our server name, the username. Yung pangatlo, yung password. Yung pang-apat, yung database name. Yung pinaka-database name po is nandun po sa list of MySQL databases hindi po yung MySQL database name na nandun sa account details. So for the local host, nandun po sa MySQL hosting. After that, do not forget to save. Next is try refreshing it. And as you can see, nag-load na po yung ating pages. The reason why nag-error yun kanina, may naka-include kasi yung ating DB connection in every pages, which is hinahanap niya yung mismong details ng mismong DB connection natin. Okay, you need to make sure kung gagamit kayo ng database, you need to make sure na change yun na po yung details. So, this is just simply an example. So, Let us try registering an account. Yeah, registration successful. Click login. As you can see, nag-change na po yung ating navigational bar. Nagkaroon na po siya ng logout. Nawala na po yung register and yung login. To check if it is properly working, let us try adding some contact details. So message sent. For the admin, let us add some image. Click upload. Yan, pag medyo malaki yung file, matagal talaga siya mag-load. So that's the biggest problem. Load error. Let us check what's the problem first. I think the problem is here. Yung nice. Hindi nag-exist yung gallery image na folder. So let us add syempre ng folder gallery underscore images. Ayan. So pwede naman kayo mag-edit directly dun sa ating file. Pwede nyo namang i-download ulit yung buong na to kung online kayong mag-edit ng details. So, yan. Meron tayong gallery underscore images. So, once na chinose yung file ulit, click open, then upload. So, as you can see, nag-load na po yung ating image. So, since uploaded na, let us try checking this one. Medyo matagal lang siya talaga. Okay, so that's all for today. So like what I said, this is just simply a demonstration on how you can upload your pages in Infinity. Thank you, everyone.